to my channel. If you're new, my name is Amber. If you're not, welcome back and thank you for hanging and being a part of the gang and the fam, okay? So, if you're new, make sure you like this video if you like it, and you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell below to be notified whenever I post a new upload. And let's get into the video.
Okay, so I'm finna test out the Sand Sky Australian Pink Clay and see how it works. It says it is Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. It says leave on skin for 5 minutes. Okay, it's not gonna be 5 minutes because I'm gonna apply it and then I am going to give my opinions about it. So let me see. Oh, this smells good. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, look. Do you guys see how bright my face is now? I didn't put nothing else in my face. I just put this on my face. The Sand oh, let me go back so you can see it. I want y'all to see this. This is Sand Sky Australian Pink Clay. I don't know what kind of sorcery is inside of this, but yeah, I'm finna buy the big version of this. This right here is finna get my money. I'm sorry. The funny part about it is that I promise you. Like, I don't know what is in here. What's inside of this? Ooh, and I still got a little bit left up in there. This is, I'm gonna use this up. Where's that paper? It says that it's an exfoliating treatment. It's made with pink Australian clay, which detoxifies the skin, tightens up pores, and majorly boosts your glow. Plus, it absorbs excess oils to nix shine. Thank you, IPSY. You know what? Do you guys see this? I hope this is coming through on the camera. Like, I feel, I don't know. Like, I feel clean. My face feels real clean. Like, I'm not even trying to hype this up to the point where it's like, no, this is my honest opinion. This right here is for to get all my coins. Hands down. Hands down. Because I break out a lot. And I need an exfoliant that is going to help. And my other one that I've been using has failed me. So, go get this. This is bomb. Bomb. Like wow. This stuff is good. I can't believe they actually had that inside of this bag. This is like, it's like the best thing that's in the bag. That and the lip gloss. Cause I already had a mascara. So in the brush. Oh my goodness. Look at my face. Like, it didn't hurt. It didn't feel like I was scrubbing off my face. Like,
I gotta stop doing this.